What's up, fam? Reggie P here. Would you like to make $300 a day without a website or without your own product? Well, in today's video, I'm going to reveal the method that will show you how. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $300 a day without a website and without using your own product. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. Now, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped. Now, let me ask you this. Do you have a small YouTube channel and you're struggling to get views and subscribers? Well, I have something to give to you that will help you. Just click on the link below. It says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers on your YouTube channel. Just click on their link below. It's a free software. Install that onto your YouTube and watch your views and subscribers start rising up. All right, please watch this video to the very end because I got a special offer I'm going to give away to you guys today. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make $300 a day without a website and without your own product. Let's go.
All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called Warrior Plus. That's warriorplus.com. And what this website does is showcase various products, digital products. And what you do is become affiliate and you help promote these products. So let's scroll down here. Here's one product called Aurora. Let's click on it right quick. This one of the top products that's on Warrior Plus. And as you can see here, game-changing software automates 1,000 commissions. All right, let's go back. All right, and once you sign up and become affiliate, this is what you're going to do to be able to get a product to promote. Let's go here. Let's go to affiliate. Let's go to offers. I'm signed up already, so I'm inside the my account. And okay. Once you're in your account, you're going to see the products that they're offering you to promote. Now, these products are fairly new. They just came out. So you're not going to be promoting any old products. So let's go to Aurora. And what you're going to do is you have to get approved to promote this product. As you can see here, request approval. And let's scroll down here and see what they offer for promoting the product. Okay, right now they have a contest going on. So this would be a good product to promote because the consumers would, see the contest and want to be part of that to win prizes. All right, it says down here the price range for this product is $16.97 to $197. Pretty low compared to other products on other websites. And here's the commission range, $16.97 to $509.97. So from my research, you can get anywhere for this one product that you promote, all the way up to $300 a day if you promote this product, or if you promote other several products that you get approved for. You can get an average of $300 a day. All right. So now you're probably wondering how you're going to promote this product. I'm going to show you that next in step 2. All right, I'm on YouTube, and what we're going to do is make a YouTube video. And as you can see here, here's some videos already been made for Aurora. As you can see, it says Aurora Review with full demo and bonuses. And here's another one. See, these are fairly new, and they're getting pretty good amount of views. Here's one, Aurora Review Stop You 1001%. You have to probably check this video out before you see it. As you can see, it's only been 3 days. It has 4,600 views. So, and what you're going to do where it says bonuses, they're getting some views. When people see bonus, when a viewer see bonus, they're going to assume that they're going to be getting something extra for getting Aurora. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to add bonuses to our review of Aurora in the description of this video. So let's go to step 3, and I'm going to show you where to get these bonuses. All right, I'm at this website. This is step 3, and I'm at this website called Prlmines. That's Prlmines.com, and they have free videos, software products that you can download and use for bonuses. So like this one right here, Digital Results Affiliate Explosion. You can download that. Let's just click on there and see what they have here. All right, and you can use this image. And let's just scroll down here. Once you sign up with this site, you'll be able to download this video software and use it as a bonus for when they buy the Aurora or whatever product you want to pick from Warrior Plus, and you can offer this as a bonus. So they get something free for buying something. So let's go back. They have, this one, they have Job Breakthrough, they have 1-on-1 Facebook tips, LinkedIn for business. They have all sorts of products here that you can download for free and use this as a bonus. Or use it, for anything that you want to promote, and you can give this way. All right, that's all the steps. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. So now you know the method you can use right now to get $300 a day. So go ahead and sign up and become affiliate of Warrior Plus. Pick a product, and then advertise that product using the methods that I just gave you. All right. Thank you for watching this video to this point. For doing so, I'm going to go ahead and tell you about the free gift that I want to give to you guys. Or rather, I say gifts. I'm going to give away 3 ebooks right now. And to get these 3 free ebooks, all you have to do is go to my website called App Grind Substation. Just go to my website, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and you're going to see 3 ebooks. These ebooks are free for you to download. Now, these ebooks cover affiliate marketing, Facebook ads, and making money on YouTube. So go ahead and download those ebooks. Those are free from me to you.
Now all you have to do is just click on the link below that says App Grind Substation. Now, one more thing. I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers. I'm currently at 266, 268, somewhere in that area. So what I'm going to do, once I get to 300 subscribers, I'm going to reward a lucky person with some money. And the way that you will get this money is leave a comment down below in this video, and all my videos leading up to 300 subscribers. And what I'm going to do is randomly pick that comment and reward that person with $20 cash or a $20 Amazon gift card, your choice. So please help me get to 300 subscribers. Share this everywhere possible on every social media to your friends and family. All right, that's all I have for today. Please give me a like if you liked what I've talked about today. Drop a comment down below so I can give away this free money. Share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, LinkedIn. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video is dropped. Because I make videos like this on a daily basis. Now, I'm done. That's it. But you don't have to go just yet. You can watch my recommended video right here, right after I say this. Get your grind on, because the grind is real.
This is App Grind TV.